tuwing tatanungin kayo kay Vice Mayor Paulo, tinanong kayo kanina ni Senator Trillanes, ang sagot nyo parating may parang nakadroga, parang gumagamit. Anong ibig nyo sabihin pong parang? Do you know for a fact na gumagamit o hindi?
Gumagamit talaga, sir, yun si Paulo, sir.
Paano nyo po nasabi yun, sir?
Kasi sabog yan, parang sabog. Pumupunta sa amin kung may kagalit.
So,
Umuutos rin yung pinapapatay niya, sir.
sige sir, himayin ko muna ha. So sabi mo, parang gumagamit kasi nakikita mong sabog. Okay, so hindi mo nakita siya na umithit o nagluto ng shabu. Hindi mo nakita yon.
Hindi naman siya, sir, gumagamit naman lang yan. Hindi yan nagbibinta, hindi yan
Yes sir, pero pag gumamit ka, kailangan mong, there is a means to use it, di ba? So kung marijuana yon, ititin mo yon. Kung cocaine yon, sa ilong. Di ba? Kung shabu yon, lulutuin mo. Nakita mo ba si Vice sa kahit anong paraan na gano'n ang ginawa? Hindi.
Ako, sir, hindi man ako nagsusunod-sunod sa kanya, sir. Hindi ko nakikita
Oh,
yan.
hindi mo nakikita. Okay, let's establish that, ha? So the witness established and testified he has no personal knowledge at hindi niya nakita na gumagamit ng droga. Ang sinasabi mo, mukhang durog. Okay, mukhang sabog. Ano ang mukhang sabog?
Kasi, sir, malalaman mo yan sa mukha sa tao.
Paano nga, sir?
Pag nakasyabo ang tao, may habit yan, sir. Mayroong nagaganyan-ganyan, mayroong nadidila-dila. Yan talaga, sir.
So, sir, yung gaganyan-ganyan, Duterte yan, parati nakaganyan, eh.
Naman, sir.
So, ang ibig sabihin, gumagamit si Presidente Duterte?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman, sir.
Nilinawin natin, sir, kasi there can be bad impressions. Ako, sir, sabihin ko sa iyo, for the last 2 weeks, at hindi pa ako pumunta ng doktor, pag nag-basketball ako or nag-dumbbell sa gabi, no isang gabi, ang galauna kami ng umaga naglaro ng mga kongresista at ni Secretary Bongo, pagising ko sa umaga, pulang-pula mata ko. Lahat dito. Kala ko may sore eyes, pero pumasok pa rin ako. So, ibig sabihin, sir, pag nakita mo ako, tingin mo, mukhang sabog si Senator Cayetano.
Ang tama ng shabu, sir, nakikita ko talaga, hindi pula ang mata. Malinaw ang mata. Basta natatama ng shabu, sir. Hindi pula. Dahil hindi katulad ng marijuana, nga pula talaga ang mata.
So, in other words, sir, ang sinasabi mo, yung iyong testimonya na gumagamit si Vice Mayor Paulo ay base lang sa iyong perception na mukha siyang gumagamit.
Hindi naman, sir, kay marami nung nagsasabi.
Oh, sige. So, ang basehan mo, sir, sa perception mo sa nakikita at sa sabi-sabi.
Opo, sir.
Okay. Can I ask the NBI or the Chief PNP, gaano katagal ang shabu sa sistema ng tao? So, pag nag-drug test ka, gaano katagal bago kita?
According to our crime lab, sir, 3 days after using the shabu, hindi na negative na yung system niya.
Okay.
Negative na.
Yun yung
After 3 days.
ordinary lang, yung pagka pinaihe, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Pero kapag ka yung blood test, much longer time, di ba?
Yes, Your
Ilan
Honor.
buwan?
Yes, Your Honor.
More or less 6 months, tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, kahit gan may ano ka ba kung gumagamit pa rin sa yung palagay o sa narinig mo si Vice Mayor Paulo?
Talaga yun sa Davao City, sir. Hindi lang nagsasabi yan kay natatakot. Ang mga barkada yan, yung mga Chinese, sir. Talagang nagagamit sila ng drugs.
Sige. Kasi sir,
Miski
nagpa-drug
yung
test
mga
ng buong Davao Council, negative silang lahat.
Ako, sir, iwan ko lang, sir. Basta ganyan, sir.
Ewan. Hindi mo sure.
Siyempre, matagal naman akong wala doon, sir. 2
So
taon
is
na
it
ako
safe
wala
to
doon.
say, Kay Edgar, tama ba sabihin ko, na ang testimonya mo laban sa isang taong ito, na ang tanging kasalanan ay maging anak ng presidente, na siya'y sabog, ay dahil sa narinig mo at dahil sa perception mo pag nakita mo mukhang sabog. Wala kang ibang ebidensya na siya'y gumagamit.
Hindi naman ako nakakita, sir, pero natitingnan naman sa mukha kung nagpupunta sila sa mga barkada niya, sir.
So mukha, so, ganyan. So, diba, tinignan ko Senator Trillanes, sabi ko, mukhang durog to. Parang ganun lang.
Iba talaga, sir. Iba talaga yung nakagamit, sir. Iba talaga.
Kaya nga sir, but ang
Let's
point ko nga,
let's
kasi...
refrain, please,
Na-
from
Madam-
insulting
Madam Chair,
fellow members.
sige, baliktarin natin. Ako ang tinignan ni Senator Trillanes. Ito si Alan, mukhang sabog siya. So parang ganon. I'm not making ano ma'am. My point is this. You're not an expert witness eh. You are not trained in any medical degree. Hindi ka doktor. Hindi ka expert. So kung sa tingin lang, ako po, marami akong pwedeng tignan na mukhang sabog eh. Maraming pwedeng tumingin sa akin na mukha din akong sabog. Pero it doesn't mean it's true. And you're testifying here, ilang beses sinabi sa iyo ng ating chairperson, yung buong katotohanan at yung katotohanan alam mo. Hindi yung narinig mo lang. So ano ba talaga sir? Narinig mo lang, yun lang ang haka-haka, yun lang ang chismis sa Davao City? Or nakita mo, or may iba ka ba bang ebidensya na gumagamit? Kasi buhay ng tao ang pinag-uusapan natin dito eh.
Talagang nagsasabi ako ng totoo, sir. Kasi yung mga kasama kong mga pulis mismo, talagang nagsasabi na nakagamit ito si Paulo.
So hindi po ikaw, narinig mo lang sa iba.
Opo, sir.
Okay. Pwede na doon po. At least malinaw na po yun, no? Sir, sabi mo walang nabatay na malaki na drug pusher. Kanina po nung tinatanong kayo. Tama po?
Opo.
At yun po ang isang ginagawang issue sa drug war na to, Chief PNP ba to? Bakit wala kayong malaking nahuhuli? Eto tanong ko sa iyo, sir. Meron bang drug lord na nagbebenta ng retail?
Hindi ko yun alam, sir.
Hindi ba, sir, kapag ka ikaw ay nagbebenta, yung tingi-tingi, di ba, ikaw nagbebenta, maliit ka lang. Yung drug lord na napakalaki, may mga negosyo yon na hindi mo alam na drug lord siya. At may mga tao yon sa ilalim niya, hanggang dun sa ibaba. Kaya hindi mo talaga mahuhuli yung malaki unless meron kang CIA, DEA, yung anti-organized crime type of operation na nagplanta ka ng informant sa organized crime para mahabol mo yung malaki. Hindi ba totoo, sir, na ang strategy ni Mayor Duterte, tanggalin ang supply sa kalye? Kaya natural, maliit ang mga mahuhuli kasi hindi tanga ang mga malalaking drug lord para sila mismo magbenta. Hindi ba, sir, yung mga anak mismo ng drug lord, hindi alam na drug lord ang tatay nila? Akala lihitimo ang negosyo, hindi ba, sir?
Are you asking him
Yeah, I'm
for
asking him.
personal
Kaya, Edgar?
knowledge?
Yes, ma'am, because he claims to be in law enforcement. He claims to have spent decades in heinous crimes with policemen, etc. But when he was asked bakit walang malaking nahuli, he is repeating the most often line used in the media here, na Duterte is after small fish but hindi mahuli yung big fish. So I want to show...
Kaya mo pong
Madam
sagutin.
Chair?
So ano po yung tanong uli?
Hindi ba totoo na ang mga drug lords hindi mo talaga mahuhuli sa kalye na nagbebenta?
Hindi ko yan alam, sir. Hindi ko yan alam.
Sir, hindi ba nasa law enforcement ka?
Nasama ako, sir, pero hindi ko alam
Hindi
yung
ba nanguhuli kayo,
mga-
sir? Hindi ba nanguhuli kayo, sir?
Nanguhuli kami, sir. Kasagaran yung nahuli
Anyway,
namin.
Madam Chair, I
maliliit
think
lang.
I made my point there.
Let's wrap up. You have consumed more than 15 minutes, the extended time granted to you, Senator Alan.
Okay, Madam Chair, I will yield at this point in time. Having said that, Madam Chair, I reserve the right to continue asking questions, especially on the credibility and background of this witness. But may I also mention, Madam Chair, with no offense to you personally, but it is the responsibility of each chair and each committee to vet, tignan muna yung witness bago dalhin dito. Kasi kung hindi, kahit sino na lang. May mahanap ka talaga eh. Hanap tayo na magsisinungaling kay Chief PNP Bato. Madam Chair, this is just a
I'm sorry,
manifestation.
Senator Allen, I'm sorry. You have been abusing the time allotted to you. It is unparliamentary for a member of the Senate to be imputing certain ill motive on the part of the
Madam
chair
Chair,
or on the part
if
of
you
the
allow me to finish.
standing committee. It is
Yes.
unparliamentary. You have been doing that. You have been insinuating things indicative of bad faith, ill motive on the part of the standing committee, including the chair. I'm not going to further allow that. I'm sorry.
Okay, Madam Chair. First of all, I'm not abusing my time. I'm using my time. Secondly, Madam Chair, there are two theories here. First theory is that he is telling the truth and the President has done this. The second theory is this is a conspiracy of a political party in this
Calling
country.
you out of order now.
And I am allowed to
I'm
pursue
calling you
that
out
theory,
of
Madam
order
Chair.
now
So with all
because
due respect,
you are
I will stop there, but I am not out of order,
imputing
Madam
bad
Chair.
faith, ill motive on
No,
the
Madam
part
Chair.
of the standing committee,
I am
on the
testing my
part
theory.
of the chair.
I'm testing my
What
theory,
we
Madam
have
Chair.
is a witness who have volunteered to tell what he knows. And now to go beyond that,
Well then,
and
Madam
say
Chair, you're
that
not
there is some
qualified to
sort
become
of a
chair
conspiracy.
because you already made a conclusion na totoo
you
sinasabi
are
niya.
called,
As
you
chair,
are,
Madam
you are out
Chair,
of order.
as chair, Madam Chair, you have to be neutral. That is the rule.
May we request the Sergeant at Arms, please, to try to restrain Senator
I will
Allen? Thank you. Thank you. Senator Win, Gatchalian, just the point about, because earlier we heard Senator Alan Peter Cayetano quote certain portions of the, is that an ombudsman decision? Is that an ombudsman resolution? And saying that even the Commission on Human Rights had confirmed that there is no such thing as DDS kasi chismis nga daw po yun. Now my attention was called to the fact that in the report of Philip Alston, UN Special Rapporteur Philip Alston, which had a portion on the DDS, it has been mentioned there that the CHR of Davao, of the region, has actually been compromised because the report has said, or the one quoted by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano pertains not to the CHR main office, but the CHR of the region. And there has been a observation by UN Special Rapporteur Philip Alston that it appears that the local CHR has been compromised. Just for the record, please, because it is as if it's being alluded to the CHR as an institution, that there is such a conclusion that the DDS does not exist.
Madam Chair,
For the record.
may I also put on the record?
Yes, just
In
put
the
on
same,
the record,
in the
but
same
1
manner,
minute, please,
yes,
1
ma'am.
minute.
I will not argue, Madam Chair, but on the record, this is an investigation by the Ombudsman quoting the regional director. In the same manner, the CHR Commission did not reverse or did not tell the Ombudsman that there is in fact a DDS. So just for the record, Madam Chair.